Hey everybody, my name's Chris and I'm here to tell you about the Get Out Gear Down Puffy Blanket. This weighs 1 pound, 1 ounce. It is 650 down fill and it is water resistant and is a nice replacement for the one that you can't get at the major retailer anymore. And it's got a couple of neat features on it and I'm going to demonstrate those next. But it does come in its own stuff sack. And it has a pretty heavy clasp and it's pretty light, and I'm sure it's going to be nice and warm. So let's get into it. Okay, so this is the blanket. I've taken it out of the stuff sack and they sell two versions of this. This is the single version. So this is the 77 by 54, I believe. And this one has some neat features on it. One of them being it has cam snaps, as you can see right here, plastic cam snaps. Now I like the fact that they're plastic because they won't rust. Some of the other manufacturers have metal, but you know, you can take that how you want. If you like the metal more, then I'm sorry, they have plastic. The cam snaps allow you to wear this as a poncho. So if you're sitting around a campfire and you want to be hands-free, you want to sip your coffee or your cocoa, you can wear this as a poncho and still stay warm, which is kind of neat. It also has a couple of loops here for drying, or you can use them in your thumb with your thumbs, and you could hold it closed if you didn't want to use the cam snaps. So I'm going to demonstrate. I'm going to come back and I will have this on as a poncho and show you how neat it is. So here it is. I've got the cam snaps all snapped up. I've got my hands free. I can sip my coffee, like I said, and I can, if I'm sitting in my camp chair, I can even pull it even more around me and I'm staying warm. So this is a really nice feature. I'm glad that they included this because that really speaks to the thought that they put into it. So now I'll talk about a little bit what I wish they had on this. So let me get to that next. Okay, so one of the suggestions I would make to Get Out Gear would be to put a shock cord at the bottom with a string tightener so that you could tighten it up like a pseudo sleeping bag. That's something that some other manufacturers I've seen have done, and that's a really nice addition too. But yeah, that's the only thing lacking on this. Otherwise, this would be the perfect supplemental sleeping addition. Well, I guess supplemental means sleeping, or means addition. So that's the only suggestion I would make. But other than that, it's a pretty solid product. So I highly recommend it. And thanks a lot for watching.